Sam does. So he's just relaxed. He comes around and plays around. Sam, what do you think you're doing? Sam, what are you doing? Sam? Sam, what are you doing? Maybe she sees somebody's just sitting there. She's just lying there relaxed. Sam. Oh gosh. Oh, this is so fun. That's unbelievable. Sam, what are you doing? Hey? What are you doing, Sam? Sam, what are you doing? Sam. Hey, Sam. What are you doing? Hey? Sam. This is so hilarious. So funny. So they're just lying there, and Sam's picking something under there.